Very cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine. So let's continue with our GK syllabus. Our next page is of group names. In this page, you are given with certain groups and you have to fill the blanks according to that group. You can write down any name, any word related to that group in the blank. For example, first we have religions. So here different religions are written, two are already written, and you can write the third religion of your choice. You know that there are different religions are there: Hinduism, Jainism, Sikhism, Buddhism, anything you can write in the blank. Next is religious festivals. The festivals, त्योहार which are related to the religion. For example, Hindu religion, Holi, Diwali. In Muslim religion, we have Eid. In Sikhism, Gurpurab. So anything can be written here. Next is harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are the festivals which are related to the harvest of certain crops. किसी ना किसी क्रॉप की हार्वेस्टिंग के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. जैसे इन पंजाब when the wheat crop is harvested, Baisakhi is celebrated, and in South India, Pongal and Onam are celebrated. Here then next we have languages: Hindi, English, then Tamil, Urdu, anything you can write over here. Memorials, the places which are built in the memory of some great personality, is called a memorial. For example, Rajghat, it is built up in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi. Shakti Sthal, then anything else like Veer Bhumi you can write. ये वीर भूमि is built in the memory of shaheeds, right? Next is national festivals. In the festivals which are related to your nation. For example, in India, all over the India they are celebrated, and they are related to for example, Republic Day, it is related to the day on which our Indian constitution was came into force, right? Then Independence Day, on this day the independence was given to India. So it is related to our nation and it is called national festival. And Gandhi Jayanti is also a national festival, so you can write over here Gandhi Jayanti. Forts, kile, for example, Red Fort, Agra Fort, then you have Old Fort, you can write here. Religious places, the places which are related to certain religions. In Hinduism it is Amarnath, Dwarka, or Badrinath, also you can write in the blanks. So these are the different answers to these blanks. You can even write of your choice, but here some examples I have already written and you can write it in your books. Buddhism, Eid, Vaisakhi, Kannad, Veer Bhumi, Gandhi Jayanti, Old Fort, and Badrinath. Alright, so next we have what's there in name. It is related to some musical instruments. The words are scrambled here. आपको अनस्क्रैम्बल करना है, उनको प्रॉपरली अरेंज करना है अल्फ़ाबेट्स को, और उससे म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नेम बनाना है. म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट मीन्स द इंस्ट्रूमेंट फ्रॉम विच द म्यूज़िक इज़ क्रिएटेड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल तबला, हारमोनियम, लाइक दैट. So first blank we have, when you unscramble it, it becomes mouth organ. Mouth organ, I hope everyone is familiar that it is the instrument जो हम मुंह में डाल के बजाते हैं, right? Next is harmonium. Its picture is already there in the book, first one. Next is tabla. Tabla you all must have seen. Fourth one we have piano. Piano is this one, black colored, which is there in your book. Fifth is flute, bansuri. Sixth one is sitar. It is also built, picture is there here below piano. नेक्स्ट वी हैव जल तरंग. जल तरंग क्या होता है, बाउल्स में पानी डाल के रखते हैं एंड वी क्रिएट म्यूजिक फ्रॉम इट. नेक्स्ट इज वायलिन. वायलिन इज ऑल्सो शोन इन द पिक्चर. So next part we have to match the great personalities with the instrument they play, right? They are famous for playing which instrument. You have to match the name with the instrument. First one is Bismillah Khan for Shehnai, Murli Manohar for flute, Ravi Shankar for sitar, Ajmad Ali Khan for sarod, Zakir Hussain for tabla, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma for santoor. And now the next page, it is about the shapes, geometrical shapes. Maths में आपने different shapes पढ़ी हैं. Riddles are given based on the shapes and you have to guess that which is the shape. First is my sides are 3, I am closed not free. So it is a triangle. Triangle की कितनी sides हैं? 3. Next is 4 sides of mine all equal and fine. It is a square because in square all the sides are equal and it is having 4 sides. Out of 4 sides of me, only 2 are equal to C. It is a rectangle in which the opposite sides are equal. With no sides there, I am round everywhere. It is a circle which is having no side and it is round. My sides are equal and 6, so don't be in a fix. It is a hexagon which is having 6 sides. With my 6 sides all rectangular and flat, can you guess my name with that? It is a cuboid. It is a 3-dimensional figure. Next we have the different names of the different sports, and you have to tell that which is an indoor sport and which is an outdoor sport. Indoors are those which are played inside the house, inside the room. Outdoor are those which are played in a field or in a stadium, like that. So next, first one we have badminton. It is an outdoor game. Second, football, outdoor. Carom board you can play inside, it is indoor. Table tennis, again indoor. Fifth, basketball, outdoor. Sixth one is ludo, it is indoor. Seventh, volleyball, it is outdoor. Eighth, chess, it is indoor. Ninth is skating, it is outdoor. Golf, it is again outdoor. Lawn tennis, 11th, outdoor. And gymnastics is indoor. So these are the answers of this page. You can please write down in your books. Next is the last one, your favorite one. It is based on the different cartoon characters, and you have to tell that this character is actually which animal it is, because these are the cartoon characters which are actually animals, and you have to tell that it is which animal. For example, Mickey is a mouse, so Mickey Mouse is the complete name also. Donald is duck and its complete name is Donald Duck. Then Tom and Jerry, ये कार्टून आता है आपका, in which Tom is a cat. Garfield, it is again a cat. Jerry, it is a mouse. Pluto is a dog. Simba is a lion. It is there in Jungle Book. Then is Bambi, it is a deer. So here is your do you know box. The first full length cartoon box in this page also. Let's read it. Chess is an ancient Indian game. बहुत पुरानी इंडियन गेम है और इसको हम चतुरंगा बोलते हैं because in this चतुर means 4 and रंगा अंगास means army. ठीक है, पार्ट्स ऑफ द आर्मी. आर्मी के 4 पार्ट्स हैं चेस में, एलिफेंट, हॉर्स, चैरियट्स एंड सोल्जर्स, इसलिए इसको चतुरंगा बोला जाता था. And here is one again, do you know box. 7 notes of swords in Indian music are sa re ga ma pa dha ni. और ये 7 के 7 किसके ऊपर बेस्ड हैं? It is based on different birds and animals. So with this your pages are done. I hope you have understood. Please complete them in your books. Thank you and have a nice day.